Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your wallets to TimeFarm. So if you're actually mining TimeFarm, you can now connect your wallet, your Ton wallet, so that you can be able to make withdrawals whenever the airdrop is launching. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see wallet. You can see the wallet icon there on the right hand side at the extreme. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here, wallet. Connect your Ton wallet for future rewards. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see connect your Ton wallet. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. You can see what's written there, connect your wallet. Open wallet in Telegram or select your wallets to connect. So guys, in case you've actually created your Telegram wallet, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see open wallet in Telegram. But in case you don't have a Telegram wallet and you have other Ton wallets like Ton Keeper, My Ton Wallet, Ton Hub, and the rest of them, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to select them. You can see it down there being encircled. Let me slide through it so you see it. So in case you have any of this wallet here, you can as well use it, but I'm going to be using my Telegram wallet in this video tutorial today. So guys, now let me go ahead now to tap on where it is written open wallet in Telegram. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there. TimeFarm wants to connect to Ton Space. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on connect wallet. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see TimeFarm now connected to Ton Space. So guys, what I will do now is to tap on back to TimeFarm. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see that's my Telegram Ton wallet address right there. You can see it has been connected now to my TimeFarm mining app. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can connect your wallets to TimeFarm mining app. So guys, this is how it can be done. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. See you in our next upload. Bye.